Hi, I'm Dick Long, founder of DUI, and I want to show you today how to store your suit in the bag and how to take it to the beach with you. First of all, you want your suit to be clean and dry. Once it's that, then you want to make sure that the zipper is unzipped. Then we want to take and lay the suit face down like this, and take the feet, bring them up and put them right in behind the shoulders like this. Then what we're going to do is fold the suit over like so and bring it up. It's only folded twice like this. We always take and put the valves on the outside of the suit because the valves are the things that cause the suit to get punctured. Then we fold it in half like this. This is the device that can most easily puncture your suit. Once we fold it in half, grab it, take the bag, the dry suit bag, lay it down, put the suit inside the bag. Most people will carry the rock boots inside there with it. Zip it up, like so. And now you are ready to go to the beach.